Howdy, Jawad is here. In this video, we are going to learn how to bring Excel data in our Revit project, and also we can update the Excel data or Excel sheet in Revit schedules too. But this is not a two-way integration. This is just allow you to bring Excel data. For example, you can bring your chart or any data that you want to print or put it in your Revit project. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Direct 1, which back in the day was 8 separate plugins, and you can download them too. But it is better to download them at once, and Direct 1 is the best option that you can get right now. Just download it and install it in your Revit software, and we are going to use TATBIM part of the plugin. And let's go to the Revit. And in here in Direct 1, let's go and let's select the TATBIM parameter in here. And in here, click on Add a Table. Now you can select Excel file. But before that, let me open the Excel file and let's talk about some of the things that you need to do in Excel. For example, if you have a really big spreadsheet, you need to specify the region that you want to bring it in Revit. To be able to specify that, you need to select a region in your Excel file, and then you need to name it in here. For example, I've named this region to ED, so I'm fine. But you need to do that for yourself and press Ctrl S to save your file, and then you are good to go. And then in here, you need to find the Excel file that you want to bring in. Click on Open, and in here you can select the worksheet too. If you have different worksheet in a spreadsheet, you can choose it here, and this is the worksheet region that we've made it a few seconds ago. And the last option is that you can specify which kind of view type that you want to create with these Excel data. It depends on your needs. Sometimes the legend and drafting view is better because they will give you more freedom, but if you want to have some good functionalities in a schedule, it is better to bring them as a schedule view. So most of the time I will put it in a schedule view. Click on a schedule view, click on OK. And now you have the table, but it's not, it hasn't been created yet because you can't see anything in here. To create this schedule, you need to select this and click on Apply and wait a little bit. And now you have the view in here. Let's go to the view in here and let's see the schedule that we have. It is really good, and we have all of the formatting in this formatting that we had in Excel in our Revit project too. But there are some problems too. For example, when you create a sheet and you bring your schedule in, sometimes it's not the same appearance. For example, for merge cells in Excel, Revit can't understand them well, and the only way that I know, if you know better way, make sure to comment down below, is to go to the schedule and delete to turn off all of the borders for all of the parts. You need to go to the borders and you need to put it on none, and it can be a only way that I know, and you can change the shading color of these for yourself too. But we can reload and we can update these Excel files too. But before to do that, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues. And you can find all of the related files in the description by the first link you can see. Now let's say that we've changed some of the parts in here. For example, for the unit cost of this one, let's change it to maybe 400, and the numbers in here and all of the numbers will change. Now let's save it again. And let's go to the Revit part and let's go to the TATBIM, and in here you can update it. You just need to right click on this, and you have both two options, the update and update from. If you have another file, you need to click on update from, but if you've saved the previous file, you just can click on update and you will get the updates in here. But there is a cons to it, because if you can remember, we've made some change to the border of the schedule, but when you update the schedule and you click on apply, click on OK and OK, you can see all of the overrides are gone and you need to do them again. So you need to go to the schedule again, you need to select all of them and you need to turn off the borders. Again, that's the only problem that exists in this situation. And also, if you want to learn more about the conditional formatting in Revit schedules, make sure to watch this video in here, and don't forget you can access to all of the exercise files by the first link in the description.